Product name, SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen with Display. The SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen with Display is a popular 3D printing pen that comes with a display, 3 starter colors of PLA filament, a stencil book, a project guide, and a charger. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. The pen is temperature adjustable to accommodate multiple types of filament, including PLA and ABS. The pen has an easy-to-use stepless speed slider, designed for optimal speed adjustment. The pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold. The pen comes with a variety of filament colors. The pen is reasonably priced. Negatives. The pen can get really warm, so if a very small child is using it, some supervision is probably best. The PLA filament that comes with the pen can crackle or bubble while using the pen, which can be frustrating. The pen makes a low humming sound when in use. Overall, the SCRIB3D P1 3D printing pen with display is a fun and affordable 3D printing pen that is great for quality family time and as a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations, or for everyday fixes around the home. Price $36.99.